dive deep into the latest gadgets to see if they're worth your money. Today, we're checking out the Pellzell Tripod Mount with adapter for the Starlink Mini. This accessory is specifically designed for the Starlink Mini, compatible with both the 2025 old and new models. And it promises to make your Starlink setup more versatile and portable. Right out of the box, the Pellzell Tripod Mount feels solid. The entire mount is constructed from carbon steel, giving it a sturdy and durable frame. The metal connectors between the three legs add extra stability, which is crucial for keeping your Starlink Mini secure in outdoor environments. Despite this solid build, the tripod is surprisingly lightweight at just over half a pound, making it very portable for camping, RV trips, or any situation where you need a mobile internet setup. One of the key features of this mount is its adjustable height. The tripod can extend from about 16.5 inches to just over 25 inches. Adjusting it is straightforward thanks to a knob locking mechanism on the tubular components. You simply set the height you need, tighten the knobs, and the stand stays firmly in place. This prevents any loosening or slippage, ensuring your Starlink Mini remains stable even on uneven terrain. Installation is another area where Pellzell shines. You don't need any tools to set it up, which makes it quick and hassle-free. The adapter allows you to attach your Starlink Mini directly to the tripod, providing a secure fit and freeing you from having to place your device on the ground. The tripod also folds down to a compact length of just under 14 inches. Combined with its lightweight design, this makes it easy to carry and store, which is perfect if you're frequently on the move. Overall, the Pellzell Tripod Mount with adapter is a well-thought-out accessory for Starlink Mini users who need a portable and stable mounting solution. Whether you're setting up at a campsite, in an RV, or just in your backyard, this mount offers flexibility, stability, and ease of use. If you want your Starlink Mini off the ground and ready for optimal signal reception, this tripod is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and turn on notifications so you never miss